your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is all about my September BoxyLuxe box. So if you want to see what I got in my BoxyLuxe for the month of September, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. I'm super excited to be doing this video because I just received my BoxyLuxe box for the month of September in the mail. I am a little disappointed that it took so long, but hey, I'm excited that it is here and it is heavy. So if you are new here, you do not know what BoxyLuxe is. BoxyLuxe is an upgraded addition to your Boxy charm. So if you are signed up for Boxy charm and get the base box for $25 a month, you get, I believe it's 4 to 5 full-size products. You can upgrade and get the BoxyLuxe, which you get this every 3 months for an additional $28.99 on top of the $25. And instead of the base box, you'll get the BoxyLuxe, which comes with 9 to 10 full-size products valuing over $250. So that's not bad for 50 bucks or around 50 bucks. So I'm excited to see what I got in this month's box because some of my YouTube friends have got some really nice goodies in their box. So let's go on and get started. So I have my handy dandy scissors here so we can go on and cut open the box. It says, "Hello, Charmer." So that's super cute, and it has its little tags up here, so if you want to tag them or anything of that nature. So, and it also says BoxyLuxe. So let's open this up and see what's inside. So this month's theme is Glam Vibes Only. So this is the stock card for the products, and I really like the vibes. It kind of got the streak going on, so I like that. But let's get into this. So the first product that I see is by Kate Somerville, and it is it says Exfoliate Kate Intensifying Exfoliating Treatment. Ooh, we do like exfoliation. So this is the packaging that it comes in. And let's see, what does it say? So the next best thing to seeing Kate in the clinic is treating yourself to a Kate Somerville signature facial at home. Natural exfoliants help to clean pores, while fruit enzymes help to clarify and renew skin, balancing hydration without over drying. See dramatically smoother, brighter, and healthier looking skin in just 2 minutes. So I'm excited about that. So let's see what the stock card says. It says this clinically formulated it's clinically formulated to visibly transform texture and pores in 2 minutes. Kate's signature super facial exfoliates dull, dry skin cells to reveal smoother, radiant, pore perfected skin in just 2 minutes by clearing away dead skin cells. This holy grail product preps skin to better absorb the rest of your regimen, making every product an ingredient that follows more effective, and it retails for $85. So that is not bad at all. Next item we have, it's a little open already, and it's by Osa. It's an atmosphere protection cream. It's a lightweight firming moisturizer. So this is the packaging. It's already open, so let's see. And it comes in a little bottle like this. It's a little pump, very cute. I really do like this packaging. So let's see what it says about this. It says the Osa Malibu Atmosphere Protection Cream, the perfect take everywhere moisturizer. This lightweight formula provides barrier protection against extreme climates and wind and air pollution. Antioxidant rich oils and organic seaweed firm skin and leave a silky finish. Ideal primer for makeup, and it retails for $48. So that's very nice. I'm gonna try this out because we all like a good primer and a good moisturizer, and it's firming. Need that firming in my life, okay? So definitely gonna try that. And then next up, I see we have a Fenty Beauty product. This is the Kilowatt foil and Freestyle Highlighter Duo. So this is the packaging. I got the Kilowatt and what was it? It was the Trophy Wife a few months ago in our special Fenty Beauty Luxe box. That's like the box that made me sign up for the Luxe. So yes. Ooh, and this is pretty. So I have shades 7 day week end and pull side. And look at that. In my viewfinder, it is not, there we go. It's more pink and blue, but they have like this blue has more like a purple undertone to it. So it is really, really pretty. These are some colors that I would use. I wouldn't use them as highlights. I would use them as eyeshadows. But just super pretty. Look at that. I might use that one as a highlight. But definitely as eyeshadows. This is so pretty. And I'm very pleased with this. So definitely keeping that. Okay. And it says the Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter. Just when you thought Kilowatt couldn't get better, Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighters enter the game with the same creamy textures of the original in a mega reflective foil-like finish. With intense magnetic edge, these buildable color-rich luminizers come in rule-defying shades that look equally killer on the skin tones, and it retails for $36. So that is super, super nice, and I'm pleased about that. Ooh, this is really big. So next up we have the Cara Keratin Infused Deep Conditioning Mask. Ooh, definitely like deep conditioning mask, especially for the hair, and this is a nice size. It says that it revives and repairs dry and damaged hair. It has a jojoba oil, walnut, and chestnut oils that penetrate deeply into the hair for unparalleled moisture, strength, and elasticity, and brilliant shine. So definitely going to try this out, especially for me and my daughter. And this retails for $24. So that is not bad. So if I do like it, I could purchase it again if need be. It is, you know, a little expensive for a conditioner, but not too bad. And next up, this is by Persona. It is a lip gloss. It's vegan and gluten-free. So here is the packaging, real pretty pink packaging. And I got color Toffee, which I bet you I'm going to like because I do like brown shades. So maybe it is a brown shade. Oop, and it is. It's like a brownish orange, like a terracotta shade. So that is very pretty. So let's see. Let's just put it on my lips. Ooh, and it goes with what I've got on today. So, very pretty. Not tacky. You feel like you do got some gloss on, but not like super a lot of gloss. Because sometimes, you know, you put a little bit on it, it feels like you got a lot. So, very nice. Gonna try this out and test it out with a couple more lipsticks and see how I like it. And the Persona Season 1 lip gloss, it is retailing for $16, you guys. So, not bad. Next up, we have a palette. It's the Hip Dot palette. It's by Hip Dot. It's the Zion palette. This is very pretty packaging. It's the Zion eyeshadow palette by Hip Dot. And the packaging is gorgeous. Woo! Oh my gosh, this is beautiful, you guys. Okay, it comes with a nice little mirror, of course. And then look at those shades. Just gorgeous. Beautiful. I would wear these shades. Oh my god, so pretty. So let's do a little swatching. Angel's Landing is calling me, and Summer Real. So let's see. This is Angel's Landing. Ooh, definitely could have been wearing this today. And it matches my lip gloss. And then this is Summer's Landing. Ooh, look at that. So pretty. Ooh, I'm very happy. This is a really nice palette. So it says the Hip Dot Zion eyeshadow palette is a conjuring the majestic beauty of the natural and sweeping Ulta Cannons, whatever. It's cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, and paraben-free, folate-free, and mineral oil-free, and it retails for $30. So that's not bad. I'm excited. This was a really, really nice box. So next up, we have, ooh, some brushes. Oh, I seen one of my fellow YouTubers got one of these in her box, and I was like, ooh, I hope I get one too. It is the Pure Complexion Authority Makeup Brushes. It's a signature travel essential 12-piece cruelty-free brush kit. That's what it says in the package. So super cute. I love that it comes with in this case because this is super easy to travel with. So let's open it up. Ooh, and some cute pink brushes. Look at that. All the essentials you would need to travel with. Oh yes, this is so cute. I am so happy about this, you guys, because this is going to be my travel. Just throw this in your bag. You got everything, boom, and you ain't got to worry about the brushes or bristles getting messed up or anything. So very, very pleased with this. And the pure signature travel essential 12-piece cruelty and brush set is retailing for $49. So that is not bad at all. So I am very pleased with this. Very, very pleased. I'm pleased with all the items that I got, you guys. Like, so far, I'm very happy. So there's one more thing in here. So last but not least, I have the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. And oh my gosh, I'm so happy for this because I love this brand, 111 Skin, or 111 Skin, however you want to say it. I love this brand. I love their sleeping mask. I love their moisturizers, their cleansers. So I'm really, really glad to get one of these masks and try them out. This Rose Gold Brightening Mask. So let's see what it says. Here it says the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask comes with 5 masks in here. It's the ultimate pre-event mask. The hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients for a glowy complexion. And these retail for $135. So I am like really pleased with my box because this is stuff that I would want to buy, but I would never, ever, ever, ever pick this up for $135. I just would not. But that I do like this skin brand. They're really, really good, but I just cannot spend that much for 5 masks. But I'm so glad that I got it in my box. And I'm very, very pleased with my palette. Super pretty. I love the color and the detailing. And they got some amazing shadows in here that I'm going to get to play with. So I'm very pleased with that. Can't go wrong with some makeup brushes that are very, very cute and come in a nice little travel case. And you can't go wrong with Fenty Beauty. And I got the shades that I would like a little purple and, you know, a purple and like a shimmer shade. As you can see, these are, well, it's like a bluish purple, lavendery. Comes off blue on the camera, I believe, in my viewfinder. But yes, I'm telling you, I'm going to be playing with this. Cannot go wrong with this because, as you know, I'm a natural gal. So I love natural looks. And fall time is coming up, so this will be perfect to throw on top of lipstick and so forth, or wear by itself. So I'm happy with that. And I'm going to definitely try this Keratin Mask out, and conditioning mask out, and see how it does for me and my daughter's hair. And I like that it's a nice good size because, you know, as curly girls, we use a lot. And you can't go wrong with the exfoliator treatment. Definitely going to try this out and see how it does for my skin. I mean, this was just a great box. And then we have the protecting cream that can act as a primer as well. Oh my gosh, I am very pleased with this box, you guys. I am very happy. But the variation I got is box number 74. I am happy with everything that I got. I'll have the total of everything that I got down below, but I am very, very pleased with my box. It's a keeper in my opinion. So if you haven't signed up for BoxyCharm, I would definitely sign up for their base box and get on the waiting list for their BoxyLuxe. Once you get off the waiting list, you can either discontinue your BoxyCharm and just keep the BoxyLuxe, or whichever you prefer. I keep all of them. I get the base box of BoxyLuxe and the Boxy Premium. I really do enjoy my BoxyCharm. I canceled my Ipsy and I canceled my Allure, but I think I might be going back to Allure. I'm not entirely too sure, but BoxyCharm is where it's at, you guys. You see the amazing products that I just got. So yes, comment down below, what did you like out of this month's BoxyLuxe box that I received in variation number 74. I loved everything, so I'm very, very pleased. I'm going to be having a nice little spa weekend and be playing with some makeup and stuff, so makeup videos are coming, okay? And but that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.